Let's get them back up here where you can see them. This one says small, cute, ugly, small, cute. All the I don't know. I don't know what they'll stand for. Oh, I love the big anchor there. A bicycle. Oh, butterflies, y'all know. Some butterfly loving. Oh, look at the moon. That's so cool. Love that heart one and that heart one. Yes. Love, love, love that. Okay, next. And I'm going to turn it this way because these plates are more up and downy. So maybe we can look at all of them. Very cool. Golly, I really do hate that they've gone out of business. Maybe they will resurrect, because they made some amazing plates. Look at those ornament hearts. Oh my. Oh. Love anything Celtic looking. There we go with, that one was 08. And here we go with 09. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this one too. I love, you could use these for backgrounds. They would make great backgrounds. Really, really nice. Get the baby feet and little fish bones. There we go. Some more hearts and stuff. And then plate number 10. Y'all know that's got me. I'm a sucker. A sucker for them. Oh. Wow. Very cool, very cool. Got some like Halloween looking stuff on here. And then coffee, and the coffee beans. I'm a coffee junkie, so I love stuff like that. Some spider webs, and ghost faces, and butterflies, and more hearts. So there we go with 10. Oops. And here we go with 11. Cute zebra. Oh, I like that. Like a Fabergé egg almost. Oh, yeah. Oh, some more skulls. But I like just looking through plates. I could sit and look through my Stamp It plates for just hours on end. I just would never get bored with it.